Okay. Sorry about that. We have two adults and two college students dealing with the Wi-Fi, and so I think my husband and I are both fighting over the Wi-Fi, and my daughter has a live lecture this morning too. So I apologize about that. Let me see if I can get everything cleared up for you doing a video like this. So here is all the information on everything that you've done through spring break. Okay, so hopefully most of this is finished. Okay, so you had a quiz due at midnight on Friday, the 17th. I did look in. It looks like most people did it. If you have an extenuating circumstance and you need to talk to me about it, please contact me immediately on your quiz. So that is all your previous information. New material this week. The big material for this week is that your project is due today. Okay, this is super important. I want one PDF file, one file. You are not emailing it to me and you are not submitting multiple files. Okay, it is you upload it to a Dropbox in Canvas, and I'll show you how to do that. It needs to be one PDF file. Now, last week, I went over how to use Cam Scanner, and it is right here. Okay, so if you need to go and you need to review how to use Cam Scanner, here it is right here. You just click that and it'll bring up the YouTube video from last week. Okay, and that is today. I'll be in my office hours at noon today. I'm going to do it on LTE, so I'll be on my iPad, but I will be available to help you with that if you need help with Cam Scanner. Okay, your homework. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, and 3.4, and Chapter 7 is due on Friday, as is your test is due on Friday. Next week, you'll have your final exam, and that is due on Thursday. The semester ends on Thursday the 30th, so kind of pay attention to that, okay? And I'll email this out. It's posted in Canvas and all that. So let's go look into Canvas, okay? Here we go. Let's look at Canvas. This is, what you've seen every week. I'll post this video right here. There's your weekly assignments. I'll also email those out to you. Okay. Now, this is what I wanted to talk to you about right here. Do you see where it says Classwork Chapter 3, extra practice in videos not required? Okay. That means that you do not have to do it. Okay, this is just for you. One of the reasons I put this up there is because some students might like to see me work more problems. Okay, some students just want to watch the video. Okay, it is completely and totally up to you. But I did make that visible so that you could see that. Okay, here's your Chapter 3 videos. Here's all this stuff for your project. Now, to turn in your project, you are going to go to Project Graphing Turn in Dropbox. You are going to click on that. Okay. Where it says Submit Assignment, you're going to click on that and you are going to upload that file. Okay. And again, it's got to be a PDF. And if you have any trouble turning it into a PDF, just go back to that link I put for last week. I talked a lot about how to do Cam Scanner. So that is how you will turn in your project. And I've already had probably a dozen people turn in their project. So, so we're in pretty good shape there. Okay. Page. Okay. So we're going back to the home page. You can tell moving around on the, here we go. Okay, so our Wi-Fi is definitely in trouble at my house. Okay, so so that is how you turn in your project. Now, final exam is on WebAssign. Okay, and you will have a final exam practice test on WebAssign. Okay, the final exam practice test on WebAssign is the best way to study. Okay, just like it's the best way to practice for your test that's due on Friday. But again, I posted these right here in order for you to see me do more videos. I think it's important that you see me work some of those problems out. So that's what this is right here. I think the better way to study for your final is that practice test. But I want you to be aware that these are videos right here so that you can see me do additional problems. Okay? Okay, the last place that we're going to go and we're going to look is WebAssign. Okay, WebAssign. So, whoops, here we go. So here's WebAssign. Okay, look down here. Here's your Chapter 3 test. Chapter 3 and Chapter 7 test. It is timed. You have 2.5 hours to do it. Okay, here is your practice test. This is the best place to study. That's the best way to practice. Okay, your practice test is not timed, but do keep in mind that your actual test is timed. Okay, now all of this is your homework that's due. Hopefully most of your homework is completed, but all of this is due on Friday at midnight. Okay, in the next 24 hours or so, you will have a Math 144 final exam practice. Okay, so you'll have another one of these. I'm not going to open the final exam until Monday, but you'll have from Monday to Thursday to do that. Okay, so I think I've got everything in there. Again, your project is due today. Okay, it is one PDF file. Do not email it to me and do not submit multiple files. Submit it to the Dropbox. Now, I'll be in my office at noon today, and I can help with that if you need to. Okay? Okay. Feel free to email me with any questions. I will be on Zoom for my 11 o'clock class for just a couple minutes, and then I'll also be in my office hours at 12. Okay? Good luck. Email me with any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.